Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be trying to get my snowmobile fired up. It's been summarized all summer and yeah, we'll see how that goes. But I've already filmed this whole video. It's just I filmed all the beginning clips in slow-mo. It's literally going to be the downfall of this camera. This camera is amazing, but it has 3 modes. It has film mode, which I'm in right now, and then if you accidentally hit a button right by the film button, it's slow-mo. And then if you hit the next button, it's camera mode. So it can easily get mistaken by people to get bumped, or when the camera just sits for a while, which it has, you don't look at it all the time since it's just a little tiny logo up in the side of the screen. So I could speed the clips up, but there's no audio when you film in slow-mo, so that would do no service of speeding it up. So yeah, here is a cool video of me talking to you guys, having the intro. Let's play that real quick. So yeah, as you can see, it's just me. I was wearing my Milwaukee tinted lens glasses I just bought. Pretty sweet. But now the next clip is me working on trying to get some gas siphoned out of it because I had smogged all the cylinders before I summarized it, and I drained all the gas out of all the lines and made sure there was no gas in the carbs, but I did not drain the gas tank. I was just like, I'll drain it when next season comes around. So this is me now messing with the siphon and taking the little extender piece off to fit it better in the gas tank. So let's roll that. And then finally, my last slow-mo clip is of me showing you guys how much gas we got out of there, which was a decent amount. There was probably like 5 gallons in there, so yeah, that was a lot of gas, and as you can see by the color, it looked a little orange. So it was about a year old, so I'm happy that we got all that gas out, and we put then 5 gallons of fresh gas in, which is cutting to the next clip, but it's not in slow-mo anymore, so enjoy the video. Okay, so we just got gas. 5 gallons worth, and it's 93, and we're gonna put that in. And then we're gonna pull start it. Mice have been living in here. There's a hole in the bottom of my box.
Really?
Yeah, look. That's a hole straight through right there in that back corner.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, it's not very good. That was probably there, though, honestly. No mice would bust that through.
I didn't have a hole there before. You think my cylinders are full of them?
No.
They went up in my carb? No, the slide sleeve is there.
Exactly. They cannot get in there.
Oh, that's so tragic. What the frick? That's so sad. I'm surprised there's not a nest in there. It's weird. So I gotta start pull starting it.
This is gonna be funny.
I better start.
You wanna put this down?
Hold up. Is this open or shut? I don't know.
It isn't. Oh, right here, look. This way's open. That's open. See?
Yep. And do I have 2-stroke oil?
Yeah, that'd be a good idea. Put this down so it doesn't fall.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. It's gonna take a while because the gas has got to.
There's no gas in the line. Yeah, hold up. Let's open it so we can watch
You
that.
watch the gas go up in the lines.
Oh, shoot. You know what?
What?
They have been living in there.
Yeah, I never. No, that whole.
That whole hole.
Oh yeah, you're right.
They shoot through the side too.
You're right. They have, yeah.
Guys, look at this. The mice are eating through my freaking filter. What the heck?
Well, they're about to get burned alive right now.
They're about to get smoked out. Okay. Did any fuel start going through?
I don't think so, no. Just get it.
I'm gonna just spray carb clean into it.
Okay.
Have the engine primed up, not me.
Jeez, dude.
Now shall fire right up. I think I got the key turned the right way too. And this is pulled out. Yep, we're good.
Yep, fuel just got sucked. Fuel's getting sucked all over. Here, wait, put the choke down, put the choke down, put the choke down. No. Fuel's up in there. This thing is.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. Okay, there's definitely fuel up in there. I saw it.
Let me see what we get. Okay, shut it. Come on, baby.
He wants to. Dude.
Shoot, man. I'm tired.
Well, I want to start.
Maybe he's flooded. I got all my keys turned the right ways. Okay. Mine's got 6,000 miles. That's a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, give it a kill. Oh. Victor's stepbrother's shop where his sled is, and he's gonna attempt to start it for you guys. Ready? So just a couple weeks ago we synced his carburetors and we got it running real good, so we just put some fresh gas in it and we're gonna see if she still runs good.
Yeah, we'll see.
Go for it. We got the. This reminds me of the Cars movie, the stoplight.
The light lighting up?
Yep. I'll do the gas.
Yeah, it's not even. No, simply to choke all the way the frick on. I don't do that. Don't do that. You got this, Victor.
He's got the purple gauges as well. It died. He's got the purple gauge lights too. Yeah, turn that off. Let her warm up just a little. He's got the XLT 600, I got the 580, and he's got the special with the Fox shocks. There we go. She's running now. So, that's all to this video, really. We got my sled running here, and we got Victor's sled running, and they both are running pretty darn good. So, stay tuned for what's next on these things. We might be doing a little bit of work. I gotta do a few things with mine since there was some mouse stuff. I gotta replace some filters and either fix that box or buy a new one. I don't know yet. I gotta fix some things with my gas cap. Where it screws onto, it has a crack in it, so it leaks fuel out a little. So I got to JB weld that up from the inside, and if that doesn't work, I got to buy a new gas tank. So yeah, but I got a trailer for these things that I'm going to be doing some work to, and once I get that all done, I'm going to load this up and bring it to the car wash because she is dusty from sitting all summer in the shed and outside in the carport. It was fully covered at all times, so there's no UV damage to the plastics or anything. That's just dust on it. So she's still nice and shiny and pretty, and no rust on everything I did. So like last winter I painted those up. Everything still looks amazing. So if I was to wipe my finger through, you can see that the plastic is just dirty. But yeah, I want to take these guys off and paint them up and make them look good. There's a whole bunch of small stuff. These sleds are kind of cool, even though they're old, and they sound really cool. So thanks for watching this little video. Let me know what you guys have. You guys probably have pretty cool sleds too as well, so down in the comments just let me know. I'd love to hear, and don't forget that if you guys like our gauge kit, that will also be in the link in the description. We only have purple right now, but I mean, if enough of you guys want some other colors like green and blue to match some other sleds, let me know and I'll get those up on the website. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so subscribe. Bye.